Oh no. Help me. Oh, okay, this is getting better. Me failing, making slime. This is me. Okay, this is what we did. We basically just added lots of slime. Mine is glitter glue slime. I'm kneading it, and then my hands are getting stuck. I'm a frog. Get it, Nicholas? Uh-oh. Nothing. No. Get your foot out.
Go away.
So we basically just put some magic liquid in and some glitter glue, and he basically put in 6 ounces of clear glue, and I put in, 5 ounces of glitter glue, and I put in 6 ounces of glitter glue. His is clear glue.
But the problem is, it turns out to be like this.
Yeah. Right. Come on, get your hands up. Mine is working. Wait, mine is working. If you keep kneading it, then it'll work better.
If you put in too much glue, then it will go boom too bad out.
Yeah, mine is turning out really good.
Mine's turning out pretty bad.
I'm gonna just play with this part, okay? You talk to the people who are making videos too. Book.
You can take these slime
Okay,
off
I need that.
like this, like rubbing your hands together.
But mine is like this. Okay, that was just bad. Just keep playing with it, Nicholas.
Yeah, so if you play with it, it will get less sticky. And especially if you rub it with your hands.
That's because you added water to it. You wash your hands like about lots of times. And then, did you see the part? And then when you're stirring, the thing just fell off like 5 times.
But warning, don't touch anything before you wash your hands after you make slime.
Yeah, but just telling you, in case you just want to make slime with magical liquid, don't make it.
Yeah, because it gets sticky.
Yeah, really sticky. But if you squish it more, then it'll work better. Whoa! Oh no. Stop messing! Let's just get farther. No, stop it.